So you want to get your crush just like any guy in the world? Make her your girlfriend, do cute little stuff together? Well, I'm here to give you psychological tips that will get her to like you more, and possibly she might even ask you out herself. Make sure to subscribe and like because it will motivate me, as I'm actually planning on uploading 3 to 4 videos a week on how to self-improve, so stay tuned. And since I'm godly energy, I don't waste time here. Let's get straight into it. Number 1. Have an open posture. Don't have your arms crossed off looking all closed off. It'll psychologically make girls not want to approach you. Having a closed off body language will also let the girls perceive you as a closed person that people can't talk to. Girls will think that you're a person that has a bad vibe, negativity. Do you want to be with someone who's negative all the time? Fuck no. Having an open posture just shows that you're a person that's approachable, fun. Now look at this. There's a guy that's crossing his arms, having a closed off posture, versus a guy who has a fun open posture. Which one's easier to approach and talk to? Obviously the open posture guy. Number 2, you have to look her in the eye. Majority of people will know that looking people in the eye is common sense, but people are actually sometimes too shy to do that. I used to be the kind of guy who can't even look girls in the eye before turning into this sexy beast I am today. And if you want to become a sexy beast, subscribe to Godly Energy. Some girls might find that guys that are shy amusing, but for the long term, majority of the girls like a confident guy. Not being able to look a girl in the eye just shows that you're weak and can't really stand up for yourself. It's a sign of nervousness, which is something you never want to show a girl at the starting stage of your relationship. The simple trick is to look girls in their nose. You won't be looking at her eyes, but it'll seem like you are. And this will make you feel comfortable by avoiding to look her in the eyes, but at the same time, it'll make the girls think that you're making eye contact. Make sure to glance away sometimes, possibly every 13 seconds, so you're not giving her a death stare and making her feel uncomfortable. Number 3, don't approach her with an agenda. Don't come up with a whole plan of how the conversation is going to go. Just let things happen naturally. You're gonna panic if things don't go how you planned. So don't plan anything. If you come up with a plan to hit on her, it just won't work. You won't be fun. Having a plan will make your vibe go down. And at Godly Energy, the vibe is the most important thing we talk about here. Girls care about the vibe you give off. If you're having a fun, flirty vibe, you're definitely gonna get the girl. If you come up with a plan in mind, your vibe will just be boring. Before we head to number 4, if you guys ever need advice, just go to Instagram and follow me at The Real Godly Energy. You see, boys, I got your back. There's so many people who's already messaging me about their love lives and style tips, and I want to help every single one of you. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified for all my videos. It'll definitely help me a lot since I need motivation to continue uploading more than 3 videos a week. Now, number 4, slow down. I understand that talking to that hot girl is hard, but don't try to talk as fast as you can so you can blurt out all the words you need to say. It just shows that you are not confident enough in yourself, so you have to say them fast. It also shows a girl that you're not confident in yourself to think that she wants to listen to what you want to say. Slow down so you can think of what you want to say while you're talking to her. However, this doesn't mean talk as slow as you can. Talking slow will actually make things boring, and you will be the one who's talking all the time if you talk slow, which isn't fun. Just talk at a normal pace you would with your friends. Number 5, make sudden pauses between your words when you need to think. This will make you seem more confident and professional. Have you ever watched James Bond or some alpha male? They don't just blurt out every single word that comes to mind. They take their time to think. They pause when it's needed. You see how professional and confident they look when they pause? That's the vibe you're going to give off if you start pausing. But, boys, don't pause too much, as it will make the conversation slow. When you pause, make sure to look somewhere away from her eyes to ease the tension, since your whole intention of talking to her is to make her feel comfortable around you. Number 6, just be you. Don't try to be someone that you're not. You know why people in relationships break up because the other person quote unquote changed? It's because they actually never knew the significant other. They just created an image or illusion of what their boyfriend or girlfriend are. If you act like someone you're not, it won't work. In the end, they'll find out who you really are. That's why you don't act. Instead of acting, you change yourself into a better person, step by step. Improve yourself. Don't suddenly turn to this guy who's opposite of what your personality originally is. Well, this is Godly Energy. Make sure to subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys next time. And I'll be planning on uploading more than 3 to 4 videos a week, so make sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss every single video I upload.